Hey everyone, this is MTL Jack. It's been a while I haven't made a video. Today I'm working on a Honda Fit 2014. I'm basically changing the fuel injector. I had the P0203 check engine code and the check engine was flashing, so it leads to injector number 3. And then to count the number of cylinder, which one is you always check the serpentine belt. Start from here. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're working on this one. Basically I removed the intake manifold right here. So you have 14mm bolts right all the way around, and there's one here, another one down there, one down there, just you can see it here, and there was another one hidden here. And then I loosened the intake 10mm right here, loosened some connectors that led the harness that led to the maps, the sensor, and some other things. Basically these are the bolts I removed. It's pretty straightforward. It's just that now what I can do is I can lift this up and it can reveal one 10mm right here, and there's another one down here. You're gonna see it down here. So you see I was kind of able to squeeze it under the intake manifold right here. There's a 10mm right here. This one I removed. It's a nut, both are nuts, and hopefully I can just take this loose, because there's a hard line right here. I don't have the uncoupling, and then it's soft right here, so probably I can just move it out, and hopefully we can just do this very quickly. All right, so it worked out. You see I took out the fuel rail, which was under this manifold, and there was clips that you have to remove, otherwise it's gonna rip the injectors and you cannot take it out, because you have to take them fuel injectors individually out. And then now I can easily use a big grip, or whatever, to take this out. This is number 3 right here. So yes, there was fuel that came out. I should have primed the fuel pump and so on first, but just wanted to help my friend out very quickly. And is this the best method? No, but it's the fastest, so you don't have to remove all this right here and the cowl over it, and then this manifold. And so here's the fuel injectors on the Honda Fit 2014. This is the amount of bolts, and these are the clips. I'm gonna have fun putting them back. That's the challenge, always putting it back in the correct way. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you guys and to help your misfire on your Honda Fit. So actually, to help out align the injectors on the rail before putting it back into the head. So basically I put back all the clips right here before putting it back inside, and I think this is the best way, because otherwise it's pretty hard to align and then put back the clip, because it's like all blocking right here. There's no space, so I'm putting back the clips first. So you see I put it back, the fuel rail. What I did was I used a long socket like this and a small hammer, and then I hit it right here, right here, right here, and right here to properly seat each injector. You have to make sure that the O-ring is properly seated. You also have to make sure to align this 10mm bolt, this one right here also. To also give me extra space, because I only have a pair of hands, I use a small box right here just to lift it up so I have enough working space. It's just enough for you to slide in a 1/4 ratchet with a 10mm socket. So you see there's enough space, and you can pretty much work comfortably right here. You don't have to worry about this little gap right here that you're pushing upwards, because this is just attached to the intake manifold, and it's like rubbers and stuff like that. So I really hope that it helped you guys on how to change the fuel injector on the Honda Fit, because it may seem simple at first, but there's a lot of stuff, a bunch of stuff, and there's not enough space for you to work on when working on the fuel injectors, or also even the spark plugs. It's pretty hard. You can do it from this side right here, but you have to guess and all. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.